sympathy and solidarity for Ukraine.
And here we go. Hey folks, we're going out on a ride and we're off to Triumph to test drive the new Speed Twin, and I'll be going on the 1250 GS, so I'll meet you out there. We're on our way, and look at this beauty. Yes sir, oh, what a screen. Oh, that's a beauty too. Nice weather. Let's get this beast up here. At that garage lot, a beautiful day. Yes. What a nice day to be out on the bike. Oh, this is nice. That back brake now that they did has made a huge difference. The torque on this bike is just amazing. This is road modus, and in fact it's probably the modus I like most, or I spend most of my time in, unless I'm in the Alps and then I hit the Dynamic Pro modus, which just gives that extra bit of gruntism, which is quite nice. Okay lads, we're off to Triumph, and I'm going to be testing out the new Triumph Speed Twin. Well, it's not really new anymore, it's been a couple of months on the market, but it has upgraded front forks on it, upgraded front brakes, and they say they have better shocks in the back. You can alternatively get Wilbur shocks for it, or if you want to splash out, you can get the Truxton shocks at the back, which are Öhlins. And tell you the truth, I like the look of the Öhlins. They have that reservoir at the back, they're easy to set up, and Öhlins, I just like them. So Mr. Michelin Flyer, we have a white van in front of us, which has been held up by another white van. So I'm vandalized. So we're heading off to the left here, which will bring us basically straight to Triumph. Oh, that's a red light, but nobody saw that, did they? The red light. Just blast away. The grunt down below is so amazing. Look at this wheel, it's gone. I must be a bit careful because the tires are not yet warm enough. As I was just goofing around there, and in fact I did notice that just now because the ABS kicked in at the back. Now if anyone tells me that the quick shifter is tractor-like on this, well, I'm going to tell them to because this quick shifter is sweet. Wasn't I here already? Oh, now I know where we went wrong. Oh, will I go for him again? Yeah, come on. Oh, might as well get him too. Hairy, wasn't that? So I hate circuses. There's a circus. They should be out free. Those camels should be in the Sahara Desert running up and down the dunes. And that's the way I see it. shouldn't be in a circus ring with the circus director with the whip. Not my thing at all. But there's other things in this world which aren't great, you know what I mean? So, we are there. It's the bloke letting me out on the speed twin. I'll probably buy it afterwards. I can see myself doing it. I think it's going to be the best of 15 grand. But I do like it. I like it a lot. You know what I mean? And this would put a smile on my face, wouldn't it? Okay, boys, listen. There's the GS for you. And I'm going to leave it there. Should be safe here. There's the baby. That's the Triumph Speed Twin. It's a new one. Beautiful. I actually like the colours with the bit of yellow. It's not too bad. So folks, we're on the Speed Twin. And I'm looking forward to this. All ready to go. Go. It feels so small. Oh, there's a bit of grunt in it. Right, ergonomics. I'm sitting on it nicely. I can reach everything. I feel those clocks are should be pointing more sort of my way. You get used to that sort of thing. Not gonna complain. Sitting on it nicely. Handlebars are actually wider than I thought, and the bar end mirrors, we'll get them straightened up. Yeah, they're fucking excellent. You can see everything behind me on those. Oh, nice one. Oh, it's a lovely bike to ride. Bloody hell, it's nice and nimble. Back to the ergonomics. My legs are not crunched up. They're sort of a sporty position, but not too mega. The sound is nice. Don't have to do anything there. It's a bit quiet, but quality of the sound, I like it. Rain, road, sport. Oh, I'm in sport now. Oh, nice throttle response. Feel those forks are nice. I can really feel the road. Very confidence inspiring. Oh yes. You just feel it a lot more than on the GS, don't you? Suspension wise, it feels nice. It's not totally plush. I mean, it's sort of, you can feel that it's on the harder side, but not too hard. Definitely has a little sporty feeling to it. Just testing the brakes there. I couldn't find the indicators. They're quite high up actually. Yeah, you can really feel the road. Those forks are nice. They are nice. It's got a nice feeling to it. It feels sort of well balanced and flickable, which is nice. You know, you can change direction really quickly on it. Oh, it rips. Oh yes, it rips. Definitely. definitely rips. Nice bike. Those bar ends are nice, they really are stable, they're not wobbling around, and they seem to be doing a nice job. So we're on to the motorway now for a quick stretch, just to see what it's like on motorway cruising, and we might wind her up a little bit. Here we go. Dead simple to drive. God, it's dead simple. The clutch doesn't move too much. I mean, you don't need huge hands for it. Yes, sir. Oh, isn't it a pity now? I would have liked to have hooked it around these here and get onto the side of the rubber, because it's dry, it's warm. But what do you have? You have a it's Mother Teresa on the wheel. What can you do? What can you do with the jumping sailor? What can you do with the jumping sailor? Oh, do you have to come out, boy? Do you have to come out? So, I'll tell you what's going to happen. I'm going to accelerate out of here. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I knew it. That's what I was going to say. I'm going to accelerate, and that bloody Golf is going to come on out. Well, we're up to about 180 km/h there in no time. Now I'm getting a lot of pressure on my breast and on my helm, so there's literally no... Come on, go, get out of the fucking way. There's a 180. Oh, 190. Yeah, it starts getting a little uncomfortable because you have nothing to give you any protection. Nice sound though. Nice. The speed twin is nice. I don't think we got up to 200 there, did we? Here I am asking you, as if you should answer. Ah, I like, oh, the sound, boys, this sound is, oh, you know what, the sound is good as soon as you get off a GS, and it's bubbling away as well. Nice, nice, nice one. Oh shit, are we gonna, fuck's sake, it flies. This is not a slow bike, boys. I could do with a bit of a quick shifter though. I don't like this corner here, and I'll tell you why. I came off on this corner once before on a bloody scooter. So I'm weary of it, and that light was, oh yes. So back brake, ABS coming in, bang 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 bang. Just nice it sounds. So now a little bit of town riding. No jerkiness. Fueling seems to be good. You're going to a higher gear now. Now we're, oh, I've got my indicator on. A little bit of jerkiness there, but I mean I am in 4th gear, I think, or 5th. Now the clocks are fairly basic, but what more do you need? As a rev counter, a couple of modes, ABS, do like the sound. Where's the sound? There's the sound. Well, not too hard to get. Not too hard to get. So folks, there's Lino, and I'll knock you away here. This is actually a nice little place called Tipolo. You can eat while here and drink while here.